Welcome to Barry Kia. Here is another one of our great vehicles for sale. Here is another 2023 Hyundai Kona from our inventory. Here at Barry Kia, we're your trusted dealership for the purchase and maintenance of a Kia vehicle. Ever since we opened our doors, we have always had the goal to satisfy our customers and surpass their expectations through our customer service and the quality of our work. We not only make sure you find the new or pre-owned vehicles you are looking for, but we also provide professional service to all of our clients, and we make the dealership experience fun. We look forward to helping you find the right vehicle today and making sure you are satisfied with your purchase. Come and visit us at 52 King Street, in Barry Kia.